Look at that fashion over gas and all these bitches, ayy. Look how that Rari sit up nasty on them inches, ayy. Big ol' booty, bet your nigga take a picture, ayy. Tell me, yeah, book a flight, link up with you, what? Look at that fashion over gas and all these bitches, ayy. Look how that Rari sit up nasty on them inches, ayy. Big ol' booty, bet your nigga take a picture, ayy. Tell me, yeah, book a flight, link up with you. Barbies, I got issues.
So today we're going to go ahead and dip into the Annette 69 and Beauty Creations palette. I already had received this palette about a month and a half ago. I received it 2 weeks before the launch date. I was also invited to the launch party back in LA, but I was not able to make it. They invited me a week before the event, so there was no way I could make accommodations to just get down there right away. But I'm so happy to have this collection right in front of me because look at this baby. Oh my god! But look at this collection. It comes with a palette, a 3-lip trio. It comes with some lashes and her new highlighter, which I think is beautiful. I have not tried it out yet. Even though I've had this package for so long, I have yet to really dip into it. It even comes with a little spatula for the glitter, which I find really cool. Opening this palette, we have 12 beautiful shades right here. And if you look right here at the bottom, we have 4 packed glitter pigments. I'm so excited to use this glitter right here called 420. So let's just go right in and get to this palette. I swear I have like the worst fucking karma or something. It did not record, so on this eye right here, this is the look right here we are going to go for. I looked down at my monitor and all of a sudden it said that it stopped recording for some reason. So I'm so happy I caught that in time because I achieved this with just 2 colors. I went in with first a light blue and then a dark blue. It's a little messy right now, but we're about to go in with our halo crease. To achieve this, I went in with 2 colors, which is Boss and Fire. I went in with Boss first, and then I followed in with Fire just to blend it out. Now we're going to be going in with just a little bit of some makeup remover, and we are just going to clear out a space for a halo crease, then go in with our e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and we're basically just going to give a base so we can put a really hot pink down. I don't know why, but I just really have the worst luck with things like that. I'm so lucky that I checked on the camera that it was still recording because honestly, I would have been so butthurt if I recorded this whole thing and wasn't able to actually like film the whole thing. So we're gonna go in now and just basically do a halo crease. Now that we have a base done, we're going to go in with Alien Girl right here, which is this really hot pink, which I just adore. We're going to go back in with Fire and just go around and ombre them back in. All these little hand movements I'm doing. One of my favorite things to do when I am doing a cut crease or something, I don't always do the best blend, so right above where I do my cut crease, I'll go back in with the darkest color and I'll just fill it in a little bit. To me, it definitely gives me more depth and more definition. I feel like I'm so stupid. I have no idea how to pronounce that name, so we're gonna go ahead with this green and try to top this all off. I'm going to go in and top this look off. Even though I said the green was going to top it off, Leo is going to top off this look. We're going to go in with a little tiny brush and literally just put it in the middle. We're going to go ahead and apply her lashes in Smoked Out. These babies are beautiful. Sometimes a lot of beauty creators will come out with lashes and they'll be really small and really sparse. But honestly, these are such a beautiful blend and such a nice fluff for her. Like, I'm so proud. So we're gonna go ahead and take these straight out of the box and just start to apply them. let's go ahead, cut these, fit them to our eyes, and put these babies on. We're gonna go ahead and top my face off with this signature Annette 69's gold highlighter. Whoa, this shit is pigmented, bro. Okay, yeah, I think this is gonna be my new everyday highlighter. Oh my god. You guys, this highlighter is gorgeous. You guys don't understand how gorgeous this really is. Before I completely forget, we're gonna go in with this middle one right here, which is basically just a sparkly, like a little bit tinted yellow lip gloss. Now that we've gone ahead and done our close-ups, I'm going to go ahead and get on with our second look. So let's go. I'm back! So we have our other eye done. We're going to go ahead and show you how I accomplished this one. So this one was a very easy look. I just wanted to play again with the blues and pinks to try to mix them around, and then also go ahead and use that glitter spatula and finally dip into those pressed glitters. Starting off this look again, we're going to go ahead and tap this whole eye out with fire. I'm not too sure if these shades do not work well with setting powders, but I did, or not setting powders, setting sprays. I did go ahead and dip in with my setting spray with this, but it seemed like it kind of lost a lot more pigment when I did that. We'll go back in with Alien Girl and finish that blend. This look is literally so easy. We are basically done. Grabbing our glitter spatula, I'm going to go into 420. Dipping into a little bit of Hustle and putting it in our inner corners. And I finally wanted to top this look off with going in with Hustle and just slightly putting them on our brow bones. This look is really just like a whole bunch of glitter, and it does look messy, but to me this is kind of what I wanted. So we're going to go ahead and reapply those smoked out lashes, and then I'll be right back. We have our lashes on. I'm going to go ahead and apply a new lip color. I'm going to go in and apply Mood to my lips, so let's see what that looks like. I love this color so much. It works so well with this look, and not only that, it kind of blends in with my lips, so it is kind of like a nude for me, and I honestly think this is going to be one of my new favorite lip glosses, like no doubt about it. Looks like we are about ready for close-ups. Actually, hold on, let me reapply that highlighter because I'm trying to be poppin' right now. Now that we are all done with close-ups, I'm going to go ahead and finally show you guys swatches. I really wanted to save swatches and everything for the end, and I'm so sorry if you're one of those people who like to see them in the way beginning. I do not like getting all messy, putting all those swatches all over my body, like right before I actually start to film. So I like doing them at the way end where when I'm done, I can go and just shower my body off. Let's go ahead for these swatches. guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. I really hope that you guys actually enjoyed it because while filming this, I had so many different difficulties. My fan stopped working. The lights were so hot in here. I couldn't deal with it. My camera wasn't connecting to my monitor. My camera was saying that it was dead even though it was charged. There was just things that was happening. I was getting so frustrated while filming. I felt like I said the same things over and over again. I'm hoping that next video will be a lot better. I want to do so many different tutorials for you guys because I have been loving all these new palettes that have been coming out. Let me know what you guys think about this new Annette 69 and BD Creations collab. I honestly think the palette was great. The only thing is like some colors are really hard to blend together just because it seems like it's more of one of those palettes that blend out. The pigment doesn't always stay there, so it just kind of be cautious about that. But overall, this palette and this collab was really nice. I loved her highlighter. It was completely and utterly my favorite highlighter now. I definitely think this highlighter will stay with me for a really long time, just like this lip gloss in Mood. These two things are definitely something I'm going to carry with me almost like every day. And probably the same going with these like glitter, like these pressed glitters. These pressed glitters really got me pressed like what? Like they were so nice. I thought I was going to need to put glitter primer on it. I thought I was going to need everything for that. No. They went on so smoothly. They stuck on right away. There was no fallout with them, which I thought was completely amazing because with a lot of pressed glitters, they do not stay completely, and you will also need a glitter primer slash a glitter gel just to get them to adhere to your eyelid. Other than that, thank you Barbies for watching and have a great night. I don't know.